Hello everyone, today I have this Irene's Inspired Makeup tutorial from REDVELVET Sappy album for the teaser to show you guys. So, let's start. I'm gonna start with the foundation. Now I'm gonna draw my eyebrows and make them look similar like Irene's eyebrows. And then let's do the contouring. This new step before the teaser has a concept which is more like a vintage makeup, and Irene had a really natural makeup with a thin eyeliner. And now I'm gonna try to recreate it. I couldn't find similar veil like the one which Irene wore in the photo, so I just wore the small flowery veil which I think looked a little bit weird, but well, I tried. And then apply the blusher slightly louder like this. And last, the lips. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe if you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye!